Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the room and surfaces for paint application. Sand rough spots with 120 grit and wipe clean with a damp cloth. Fill holes and cracks using lightweight spackling compound and smooth with a putty knife. Use 3, 5-inch painter's tape and drop cloths to protect adjacent areas and flooring. Remove outlet covers and hardware to avoid paint splatter. Prime bare wood or patched drywall with a bonding primer before painting to ensure adhesion and uniform finish. Pick the right tools to get a professional result every time. Select a 3, 5-inch angled brush and 9-inch roller with 3/8-inch nap for most interior walls. Use a smaller sash brush for trim and a 4-inch roller for tight spots. Buy paint with proper sheen. Eggshell suits living areas and semi-gloss works for trim and kitchens. 1 gallon typically covers 350 to 400 square feet per coat, so estimate material needs accurately before start. Begin by cutting in along ceilings and corners using steady 12 to 15-inch brush strokes. Maintain a 3 to 4 foot wet edge to avoid lap marks while rolling across walls. Load the roller evenly and apply paint in overlapping W or M patterns for full coverage. Apply 2 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat to prevent drips and runs. Allow paint to dry and cure. Wait 2 to 4 hours between coats, depending on humidity and product instructions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.